Murray from Air Powered Services here. Just a quick one on what we offer as far as servicing goes. We do a range of tool repairs, all brands, all types, auras, scabblers, drills, whatever you need fixed, Air Powered Services can do it. We've got a special tool repairer, Frank, and he's been here in our business for over 6 years, and very capable, competent, can turn around gear quickly, and that's what we'll promise to do, give you a quote, get it back to you, get you going. If you need a tool in between, higher division there can help you out as well. Whilst we're talking repairs, Air Powered Services also do a range of diesel compressor repairs. This unit here is an Ingersoll Ram. It's an older machine, but we've got the parts availability, we've got the techs here in the business that can work on the air end side and the diesel engine side, give you a complete service of your compressor, then also go through site compliance if required. Okay, we've spoken about tool repair and diesel compressor repair. The final part of our service that we supply is to industry, and that's three-phase compressor servicing. This unit here is a client's unit, 160 kilowatt. We've got the ability to be able to run that and test that here at Air Powered Services. And we also have our on-road techs that can come to your site, visit, quote, repair, or get a service agreement going for you all year round. If you've got a compressor, you need it serviced, give us a call, we'll book you in, we'll get it done, we'll give you a quote, and we'll turn it around really quickly for you. Thank you.